Oreo dirt is the most delicious recipe out there, and we're going to show you a fun and easy way to spice it up for the holidays. So let's get started! The ingredients you'll need are softened cream cheese, butter, confectioner sugar, cold milk, instant vanilla pudding mix, thawed frozen whipped topping, red food dye, candy canes, and mint Oreos. First, in a large bowl, you want to beat 8 ounces of cream cheese with half a stick of butter and 1 cup of confectioner sugar. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 3.4 ounce packets of vanilla pudding mix with 3.5 cups of milk. Now that the mix is turned into pudding, pour it into the cream cheese mixture and stir until smooth. Next comes the best part, where you get to crush up the Oreos. First, take your Oreos and put them into an airtight Ziploc bag. Then, using your rolling pin, slowly begin to crush the Oreos and be gentle so you don't put a hole in the bag. Now that the Oreos are crushed, it's time to take 12 ounces of the thawed whipped topping and fold it into the pudding and cream cheese. Once you're about halfway through folding it into the whipped topping, take your red food coloring and add as much or as little as you'd like. Now that everything's ready to go in the dish, you can prepare it however you want, or you can layer it like this. And there you have it, a cute and yummy treat for all your holiday festivities. Hope you enjoyed. Now dig in.